Yo, oh, that's zoomed in. That's the wrong way. Okay. There we go, cool. So, I got a new camera. This is fun already. I haven't made a video in a while, and that's okay, because we're making one now, and it should be fun. So, what's going on behind me is, I'm about to start tearing some parts off of my truck, and we're gonna see where this goes. This is really fun. I haven't used this camera like this yet. This is awesome. So, come with me. We'll get the lowdown here. Nothing has changed. That's the lowdown. But I'm gonna start ripping some parts off, and you guys can watch. I'm gonna time lapse it, and we'll just see where we get. Lord help me, I got a race car. Alright, so I just got done pulling my intake off and disconnecting all my fuel lines and stuff, and took the hood off. I have work in the morning, so I gotta go to bed early tonight or else I won't wake up. But I put my new intake on